Good morning, dear students of 10th ABC. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all of you. I hope you did well in your board exams and you can achieve high. So based on your performance, you can select the group in class 11. So the different subject teachers of English, Math, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Economics, Commerce, the teachers, they will coming to you with various concepts for this bridge course. So dear students, you keep a note of these various concepts. So these concepts are highly helpful for you for understanding the topics of class 11th. So myself, B.SREEDHAR PGT Chemistry, I am with you and to teach some concepts related to this bridge course chemistry. Students, I hope you have learned some fundamental concepts earlier in your previous classes, maybe from class 8th onwards, 8th, 9th, 10th, etc. So once again, we will recall some of the points and we will collect these points to the other concepts which are helpful for you. So coming to the chemistry. The chemistry, it is a science. It is one subject among various subjects. Then you might have know what is the importance of chemistry. So here I will put some more points about the importance of chemistry. So why we have to learn about the chemistry subject? Students, you know, the all foods, drugs, medicines we use in our daily life are chemicals. The fertilizers, the weedicides, fungicides are chemicals. The various explosives also chemicals. The various building materials, cement, paints, etc. also come under chemistry. The various foods we eat daily, say for example carbohydrates, the proteins, vitamins comes under chemistry. The various drugs we use in our life, like the life-saving drugs, cisplatin, which is mainly used for treatment of the blood cancer, Taxol, another medicine for treatment of the cancers, and the AZT, azithromycin, which is used for the preliminary treatment of AIDS disease, is also a chemical. You may wonder, the water we drink every day, H2O, is also a chemical. So many compounds we use in our daily life are chemicals. The refrigerants like Freon is a chemical, and the optical fibers, the glass, the 1,000 types of plastics, that is thermostatic and thermostatic plastics, are also the chemicals. So chemicals we use as the drugs, foods in our daily life. They have their own importance. And coming to the various concepts, these are known as the fundamental concepts of chemistry. The students, I hope you know some of these fundamental concepts. Say for example, what is matter, atom, molecule, compound, mixture. What is matter? So matter is a substance that occupies some space and having some mass. You know that the classification of matter. Matter can be classified into the 5 types: the solids, liquids, gases, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensed state. See, the matter is composed of the small particles. The small particles are the fundamental particles. What are they? These are known as atoms. So how you can know the concepts of these, the fundamental terms like atom? So what is an atom? It is the smallest, the fundamental particle. So as on today, we have the 120 types of atoms present in the modern periodic table, and that some more they are discovering. And what is a molecule? Molecule is the combination of atoms. The molecule, it may be a combination of the same kind of atoms or different kinds of atoms. What is a compound? Compound is also the combination of the different kinds of atoms. What is a mixture? The mixture is combination of different kinds of different kinds of molecules. What is an element? Element is combination of the same kind of atoms. So in the modern periodic table we have 120 types of elements. These students, you have to learn the symbols of all elements, and you should also know the formulas of some of the molecules. So let me ask the formulas of some of the molecules. So what is the formula of hydrochloric acid? HCl. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Nitric acid, HNO3. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Potassium permanganate, KMNO4. Potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. What is the formula of sucrose? C12H22O11. So students, you must be familiar with all these, the formulas of various compounds. So here I want to ask a question which you have learned in class 9. So what is the main difference between a compound and a mixture? Compound, it is the homogeneous combination of molecules. Say for example, sugar is a compound. So in that sugar compound, only the sugar molecules are present. It is considered to be a homogeneous. And then what is a mixture? A mixture is the combination of two or more compounds. Say for example, blood, air are the mixtures. We can separate the mixture by using a simple physical techniques, but it's very difficult to separate the constituents of a compound. So you can recall some other points of the compounds as well as mixtures. Compound, it may have a definite melting or boiling point, but a mixture, it has a wide range of melting or boiling point. Students, here I will tell you some of the formulas once again. So look here. Formula of hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is nothing but HCl. Formula of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Formula of nitric acid, HNO3. Formula of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Formula of potassium permanganate, KMNO4. Formula of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. Formula of benzene, C6H6. Formula of glucose, C6H12O6. Formula of sucrose, C12H22O11. I will tell you one more concept named as atomicity. Atomicity. What do you mean by atomicity? It is the total number of atoms present in a given molecule. Say for example, in HCl, it is a combination of one hydrogen and one chlorine. So the atomicity is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Sulfuric acid, 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. So atomicity is 4, 5, 7. In nitric acid, atomicity is 3, 1, 1, 5. The atomicity in acetic acid is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The atomicity of potassium permanganate, potassium 1, manganese 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. Atomicity of potassium dichromate, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 7, 11. atomicity of benzene 6 plus 6, that is 12. So what is the atomicity in glucose? 6 plus 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, that is 24. So what is the atomicity of sucrose molecule? 12 plus 22 plus 11, that is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So the atomicity of glucose is, the atomicity of sucrose molecule is 45. So you can follow this method to find out the atomicity of a given molecule. Now students, let us see how to represent an atom and a molecule. Say for example, let the hydrogen atom is represented by H and oxygen is represented by O. Oxygen atom is bigger in size compared to hydrogen. So now we can represent the molecule of hydrogen, H2. H2 is the combination of two hydrogen atoms. And O2 molecule is combination of two oxygen atoms, and N2, etc. Here H2 and O2 molecules, these are made of the combination of same kind of atoms. Now let us see the molecule which is formed by combination of different kinds of atoms. Say for example, water. The water molecule can be represented by H2O, and this molecule is the combination of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So this you can represent as, there is an oxygen, this is oxygen, and the two hydrogen atoms. So H2O molecule can be represented in this way. So in this way we can represent the various molecules which are combination of different atoms. So dear students, you recall the differences between the compound and mixture and try to write the formulas of the molecules. Note down. Try to write the formulas of the molecules: copper sulfate, potassium sulfate, and sulfur molecule. And also write the differences between compound and mixture. So dear students, I hope that you have learned some of few concepts related to the chemistry. So this will be continued, and the other subjects like physics, maths, English, Hindi, and economics, commerce, whatever it may be, they will be continued by the respective teachers in this BITS course. So I request all of you to note down these points in a notebook, what you have at your home at present. So this class will be continued further. Thank you.